Now we solve this equation by using the cross multiplication method. So for this, first of all, we write the formula, that is u upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 v equals to v upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 minus 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Why I am taking minus here? Because I am taking c in RHS. That's why here I am taking minus 1. So now when after putting the values, we get this u upon minus 10 equals to v upon minus 15 and minus 1 upon 5. So by taking first and third, we get u upon minus 10 equals to minus 1 by 5, that is u is equals to 2. Similarly, when we solve the equation 2 and 3, then we get v upon minus 15 equals to minus 1 upon 5, that is v equals to plus 3. Okay, so these are the values of u and v. But the question is that find out the value of x and y. So for this, u is equals to 2 and we suppose that u is equals to 1 upon x. So that this x is equals to 1 upon 2, means when inverse this. Now similarly v is equals to 3, but we suppose that v is equals to 1 upon y, that means 3 is equals to 1 upon y, that is y is equals to 1 upon 3. So these are the values of x and y. Now let's see another example. Now next example, NCERT exercise 3.6, question number 1, fourth part, that is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 2, 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equals to 1. When you see these equations, what is the common value? In this LHS, x minus 1 is there. So first we suppose let 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to v. So our given system is reduced in 5u plus 1v is equals to 2, and the second is 6u minus 3v is equals to 1. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is we suppose equation 3, and this one is 4. Now we can solve this equation by using any method. So for this, I am solving this equation by elimination method. So for elimination, we multiply this equation by 3. So we get that 5u minus 1 into 3v equals to 3 into 2, that is 6. So we get that 5 3s are 15u plus 3v equals to 6. And the fourth equation is that 6u minus 3v equals to 1. Okay, so subtracting these two equations, adding these two equations, then we get this 15x plus 15u plus 6u, that is 21, u is equals to 7, that is u equals to 7 upon 21, it means that 1 upon 3. So we get u is equals to 1 upon 3. Now for this u, then we are finding value of u. For u, we put this 5u plus 1v equals to 2, 5 into 1 upon 3 plus v equal to 2, then we get 2 minus 5 upon 3, that is 6, 6 minus 5, that is 1, 1 upon 3, we get value of 3. Now these are the value of u and v. Okay, now we put this value in this given supposition, then we find out x and y. See, one upon x minus 1 equals to u and 1 upon y minus 2 equals to v, and the value of u is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So 1 upon x minus 1 equals to 1 by 3 and 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 1 by 3. Okay, So how we find out? By cross multiplication we get 3 equals to x minus 1, that is x equals to 3 plus 1, that is x equals to 4. And in that case 3 is equals to y minus 2, that is y equal to 3 plus 2, that is y is equals to 5. So this is the method how we convert the given set of equations into the linear form, and then we can solve by any method. Now let's see an example. See an NCERT question, word problem. Now see another example, that is a word problem. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. Obviously, in word problem, we suppose the variable what we have to find out. So it means that we have to find out the speed of rowing boat in still water. So first we suppose that the speed of Ritu in still water is equals to x kilometer per hour, and the speed of current is, or speed of stream is, y kilometer per hour. Now obviously for the downstream, Ritu speed is equals to x minus y kilometer per hour, because in downstream they are in opposite direction. The speed, the direction of speed and the direction of Ritu and stream is opposite. So that's why we are subtracting the speed of stream from the Ritu's speed. So it means that for the downstream, for upstream, Ritu's speed is equals to x minus y kilometer per hour, and for downstreams they are in same direction. So means Ritu's speed becomes x plus y kilometer per hour. Now according to question, in the downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So for this 20 kilometers means that is a distance is equals to speed into time, that is speed is x plus y into time, that is 2. So our equation is become x plus y equals to 10. So this is our first equation, and the second equation is in upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. So 2 into x minus y. So it becomes 2 equals to x minus y. So this is our second equation. Now these are our next two equations are there. So how we solve it? We are solving this by elimination method. So we get this 2x, this is 12, and this x equals to 12 by 2, that is 6. So we get x equals to 6. It means the Ritu's speed is 6 km per hour. Now for y, x plus y equals to 10, that means 6 plus y is equals to 10. So y equals to 10 minus 6, that is 4 km per hour. So this is speed of the current or speed of the stream. Now students, please follow this video and solve the exercise 3.6. Try to solve it. If you have any doubt, then please you can text me. Thank you so much.